Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the starter on your Nissan Titan. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical hazards. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a ratchet, various wrenches, and a jack. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on a level surface before beginning any work underneath it. These initial steps are crucial for a safe and successful repair. Now let's locate the starter motor. On your Nissan Titan, it's generally found on the passenger side of the engine, often near the transmission bell housing. Once you've identified it, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the old starter. These are usually secured with nuts. Finally, remove the two mounting bolts that hold the starter firmly in place. This will allow you to carefully extract the old unit. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter motor into its designated mounting location, aligning it properly. Insert and tighten the two mounting bolts to secure the starter firmly to the transmission. Next, reconnect the main power cable to the large terminal and the solenoid wire to the smaller terminal. Ensure all connections are snug to prevent any future electrical issues. Before you finish, perform a thorough double check of all your electrical connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Once you are confident everything is properly connected, reattach the negative battery cable to the battery terminal. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Get into your vehicle and attempt to start the engine. If the starter engages smoothly and the engine cranks, you've successfully replaced your Nissan Titan starter. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.